Hi, gorgeous. So for this sensual feminine energy activation, you're going to sit on the floor and then you want to take your hands. You're going to put them right here on your womb so that way you can, and then slide back. So it's almost like a V right here on your womb, and then slide back a little bit. That way your fingers are on your ovaries, and then using your fingers, relate to my three middle ones, just going to gently massage your ovaries. And for every touch that you massage your ovaries with, tend to make it lighter. Your body is lace. It is the softest, most luxurious lace in the world. Feel the special part, the special jewel lace of your body. So much gratefulness. Feminine essence, your feminine power, your feminine gifts. Your goddess bondage lingerie, your romantic lingerie, your feminine collection of lingerie, your sensual lingerie, and really, in essence, this is a lingerie that you take with you wherever you go every single day. So feel free to spend as short or as long as you like. Sometimes this is something that I do at the evenings, especially as my ovaries are becoming more alive. I think my womb, and every touch just make it lighter. Your body is your lace. Feel the softest, most sensual, most luxurious lace in the world. And that was your feminine energy activation for the day.